In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link or unlink your Steam account to your EA account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to streamline your gaming experience or resolve any account issues, linking these two platforms can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Electronic Arts website. You'll find the login page where you need to enter your account credentials. Make sure you're using the details associated with the EA account you wish to link to Steam. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted with your account's main dashboard. From this point, navigate to your account profile. This is typically a section where you can manage and view all your personal information and settings. Once you are in your account profile, look for the section labeled Connected Accounts. This area manages all the external accounts you've linked to your EA account. Scroll through this section until you spot the Steam logo, which signifies the connection status between your EA and Steam accounts. When you locate Steam, you'll see an option to link if your accounts aren't already connected. Clicking this will prompt you to log into your Steam account. Make sure you have your Steam credentials handy. You'll need them to complete the linking process. Now let's say you need to unlink your accounts for any reason. The process is straightforward. Return to the Connected Accounts section, locate Steam, and this time you'll click on Unlink. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision to unlink the accounts. Read through the prompt carefully, and you'll see a checkbox that states I understand. Check this box to acknowledge the action, and then proceed to click Unlink again. After you initiate the unlinking process, you'll receive a verification code in your email. This is a crucial step to ensure the security of your account. Open your email inbox, find the message from EA, and take note of the verification code provided. Return to the EA webpage, enter the code in the specified field, and then click Submit. This final action completes the unlinking process. There you have it. In just a few minutes, you can easily manage the connection between your Steam and EA accounts, whether linking them for the first time or unlinking them when necessary. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your accounts are well organized and secure. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Happy gaming!